Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade right here on TradeW. If you want to paper trade, you need to create yourself an account. And if you want to create an account, please click on the link in my description where you can create an account for yourself and also supporting my channel. Then after that, what we're going to do is we click right here on try free demo and then he will send us right here to this page. Then what you need to do is make sure that this option right here is standing on demo account. And then we click here on the arrow. Then what you normally can see is you can deposit money to your demo account and then you will get a notification and you will receive $10,000 to trade with. Now we can also reset it. So if you click here on reset, they're also telling us when the demo credits is less than 10,000, there's a chance to reset the credits once a day. The minimum setting for demo credits is 50 and the maximum is 20 grand. So keep that in mind, and this is how you can play with the balance on your paper trading account. And then what we're going to do right now is we want to create ourselves a position. So we click right here on gold to US dollars. And then right here we can decide if you want to sell or buy. Then from here we can fill in the lots. So let's do a lots 1. Then we can click here at take profit, stop loss if you want to do that. And then we click right here on buy. Then we do confirm. And then right now we created ourselves not a position because gold market is closed right now. So this is how you can paper trade right here in TradeW. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.